Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list. And what you have to do next is to press combination power key and volume down at the same time, like this. And that's how you take screenshot. As you can see, you can also slide down with 3 fingers to take screenshot too. And you can also take screenshot by holding down power key, and here you have the button screenshot. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshot album here. And from here you can share, edit or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.